Hello everyone, welcome to Shafi Tuts, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Google Contacts in your PC. Okay, so this is really gonna easy and short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So I'm going to open Google Chrome, so you can open Google Chrome, and then here you can see some dots. Simply click on them, and after that you can see contacts, this one, so simply click on that. Also click on that, then here you can see this is your home page, but now you have to click here three dot, simply click on that, and then you can see save and share and install Google Contacts. Okay, so simply click on that and Google Contacts. So if you click install, then here you can see Google Contacts in your browser. Or if you want to get this back in your home screen, then click save and create shortcut. Okay, so it's already in your PC, so don't need to. So you can see Google Contact is here, so you can use from now. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.